Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a special Hot Wheels car. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product. The Hot Wheels 2011 Indy 500 Oval Gulf Edition. This car comes in a 1:64 scale. Just look at the detailed body, the paint job, the tire, the golden rims, the gold decal, 33 sticker, and all. Wow! This car comes with an amazing body graphics and also detailed interior. Just look at the racing driver. Like, share, and comment on my video. Now let's take this Hot Wheels Indy car for a mini test drive. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.